Hey everyone, welcome to Natural Living Guide. Today we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important to me, heart health. We're going to be talking about the best meal to help clear out your arteries and protect yourself from heart attack and stroke. So if you're ready to learn how to make delicious food that will help you live a longer, healthier life, stick around. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Let's start with our star ingredient, fatty fish. We're talking about fish like salmon, mackerel, even sardines if you're feeling adventurous. These fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, the superheroes of heart health. Think of omega-3s as tiny plumbers, working tirelessly to clear out any blockages in your arteries. They help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and benefit your brain, skin, and overall well-being. I like to start my day with a nice, flaky piece of grilled salmon. It's super easy to season. Just a little salt, pepper, maybe a squeeze of lemon. You can also try baked mackerel with some herbs and spices. Incorporating fatty fish into your diet is a win-win situation. Now let's move on to our next heart-healthy ingredient, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, collard greens, the more the merrier. These greens are nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants essential for a happy heart. They're rich in nitrates, which help relax and widen your blood vessels, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. You can easily add leafy greens to your meals. Throw a handful of spinach into your morning smoothie, sauté some kale with garlic, or add collard greens to your favorite soup. Remember, variety is key, so try different types of leafy greens to keep your taste buds happy and your heart healthy. The amazing avocado, good fats for a healthy heart. This creamy, delicious fruit is more than just a trendy toast topping. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, the good kind of fat that helps lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They're also a good source of potassium, an essential mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. And let's not forget about the fiber content. Avocados are high in fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. You can enjoy avocado in so many ways. Slice it up on toast, add it to salads, blend it into smoothies, or make a delicious guacamole dip. The possibilities are endless. Garlic, the tiny bulb with big heart benefits. Garlic is a true warrior when it comes to heart health. This pungent little bulb has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which helps relax blood vessels, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. It also helps reduce cholesterol levels and prevents plaque buildup in the arteries. Adding garlic to your diet is super easy. Use it to flavor your favorite dishes, such as soups, stews, sauces, and marinades. Remember, a little garlic goes a long way, so start with small amounts and gradually increase your intake to avoid any digestive discomfort. Berries, antioxidant powerhouses for a healthy heart. Berries are bursting with antioxidants, powerful compounds that fight free radicals and protect your cells from damage. Free radicals can damage your arteries and increase your risk of heart disease. Antioxidants neutralize those free radicals, keeping your heart safe and sound. Berries are also a good source of fiber, which is beneficial for heart health. Enjoy a variety of berries in your diet, such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal for a nutritious treat. Your heart will thank you. There you have it. We've covered some of the best foods to help clear out your arteries and keep your heart healthy and strong. Remember, a healthy diet is just one piece of the puzzle. Regular exercise, stress management, and quality sleep are also crucial for optimal heart health. Taking care of your heart is an investment in your future. By making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle, you can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease and live a longer, healthier, and happier life. This video is intended for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Please consult a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, particularly if you have underlying health conditions. These tips are not a substitute for professional medical care.